You had this little talk with Mr. Kingman, and he told you what?
Oh, Granny, look, it's none of my business. What you do is your business.
No, none of that. It is too your business. We love each other.
Well, I guess I just wasn't prepared. I wish you told me the truth.
About John and me not being for $50 a month, Ruth, eh?
Well, that's what Mr. Kingman said, but I would have been happy to give you the extra $50, or the family would have been glad to.
I've never taken anything from the family yet, and I don't intend to start now. Maybe someday I'll have to, but I don't have to yet. And the nutty fudge bars. You know, he just lives for that ice cream truck. When he hears those bells play, tiptoe through the tulips, his face just lights up.
Well, then what are you going to do?
Well, we thought we'd split up. I don't want to hurt him, and I can't hurt you either, Lucy. It's been fine while it lasted, but it's over now. Well, I don't know. I thought maybe I'd go down to San Diego and move in with my sister Dora.
Relaxed in the body is in contact with the depths of your soul. Is that clear? Because it's quite important. And so, if you are stiff in any joint, you impede the current, the emotional, physical current, what the music itself dictates to you. If you have a stiff joint, you don't let it go through into the key.
The product of many, many ideas, many different people. And not only your teachers, but artists you've heard. Sure. It's a combination of all your musical experience which creates your voice. And this, what's most important is that there you have a stamp of your own. You, Paul Katz, plays the cello like no other cello. And he teaches ability to develop your own way of playing, your own style.
Es hat sich nie ich muss ehrlich gestehen, darum ist mir schwer jetzt noch zu gehen, wie ich gefallen bin. Die Schmerzen kann man gar nicht beschreiben. Ich muss es noch überwinden, ich hoffe, ich werde es überwinden. Ich weiß, ich werde es überwinden. Ich bin vielleicht sogar schon fast am Ende dieser Schmerzen. Aber die waren fürchterlich. Was das Großartige war, es hat mich nie entmutigt, nicht zu kämpfen, um zurückzuwerden, der ich war.
Wofür? Was sagen Sie sich dann?
Mein ganzes Leben lang hatte ich Durst.
So, now that you're, back to life and all, shouldn't you be talking with your son? Huh? Oh, what am I gonna do now? Don't worry about it, buddy. I've got a cunning two-step plan to fix everything. Yeah, isn't it great? I brought you all together.
En la Casa de los Modales estamos interesados en cómo convivir con otros de un modo agradable y respetuoso. A veces estamos encantados con algo que un amigo nos ha hecho. Entonces, podemos hacerle un cumplido diciéndole lo que nos gusta de él o de ella.
Could you take me up to see him right now? Nancy simply must get the sunshine she needs. But it isn't a bright sunny day down where we are. And I'm afraid something awful will happen to our Nancy.
Folks, the Big Iced Tea Taste Test is history, and the clear winner is Louisiana. In Atlanta, it's Louisiana over Lipton, 65-30. In Birmingham, 67% prefer the great taste of Louisiana. Louisiana's secret? Louisiana just tastes a whole lot better. See how satisfying iced tea can taste. Final tally, Louisiana preferred 2-1. It's the clear winner.
Carl, I barely touched anything. I'm sure that whatever minor alteration may have occurred will go completely unnoticed. I could be any kid running a time machine. See? My hair is completely different.
You may not touch my brandy, water boy. Yes, sir. I say just right. Just right for a bath. I was fooling. Oh, do not worry. Watch. Yes, master.
Carl, I barely touched anything. I'm sure that whatever minor alteration may have occurred will go completely unnoticed. I could be any kid running a time machine. See? My hair is completely different.
You may not touch my brandy, water boy. Yes, sir. I say just right. Just right for a bath. I was fooling. Oh, do not worry. Watch. Yes, master.
Carl, I barely touched anything. I'm sure that whatever minor alteration may have occurred will go completely unnoticed. I could be any kid running a time machine. See? My hair is completely different.
You may not touch my brandy, water boy. Yes, sir. I say just right. Just right for a bath. I was fooling. Oh, do not worry. Watch. Yes, master.
Carl, I barely touched anything. I'm sure that whatever minor alteration may have occurred will go completely unnoticed. I could be any kid running a time machine. See? My hair is completely different.
You may not touch my brandy, water boy. Yes, sir. I say just right. Just right for a bath. I was fooling. Oh, do not worry. Watch. Yes, master.